Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 4, English version, Math, Exercise 7.4, the number 1. The chapter is about multiples and factors. The number 1 Math, list 3 multiples for the following numbers, ordering them from the smallest. So let us do number 1, the bracket 1, number 1, multiples of 4, multiples of 4, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 3, 12. Now next, right, list 3 multiple we have done, order them from the smallest. We have written 4, then 8, then 12. So it is done. So let's do the last one. Number 4 is 14. So multiples of 14. 14 into 1, 14, 14 into 2, 28, 14 into 3, 42. So it is done. We have listed 3 multiples for 14 and we have written in order so that the smallest one is first, and then the second smaller, and then second one, and the biggest one or the largest one. Okay, let's do number 2. List 3 common multiples for the following pairs of numbers. This time we have to write the multiples for pairs of numbers, not one. Here it was only one number. Now we will do for pair of numbers. Let's do the first one. 3 multiples of 3 multiples of 4, multiples of 3, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 5, 15, 3 into 6, 18, 3 into 7, 21, 3 into 8, 24, 3 into 9, 27, 3 into 10, 30, 3 into 11, 33, 3 into 12, 36, and so on. Now multiples of 4. 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 3, 12, 4 into 4, 16, 4 into 5, 20, 4 into 6, 24, 4 into 7, 28, 4 into 8, 32, 4 into 9, 36, and so on. Now we have to write the common multiples of this pair 3 and 4. Which are the common multiples? Okay, common multiples. Common multiples. Let's look for multiple that exist in both. So 3 is not here, 6 is not here, 9 not here, 12, yes, 12 is here. So 12 is common. Next common is 24. next common 36. Okay, so now we can write the common multiples are 12, 24 and 36, and also write the least common multiples. We have to write the least common multiple. Least common multiples. So least common multiples here. Least means smallest, we know, and 12 is the smallest. So we write it is 12. And we are done for number 1. Similar way, following similar method, you can solve number 2, number 3 and number 5. I hope you can solve all the other 3. Thank you very much. If you have a question, please write it in the comment box. Thank you.